All right! I just received a package here from EPOMAKER, a technology brand best known for making feature-packed keyboards that offer great value. And now they're bringing that same approach to gaming audio with the EPOMAKER GX1 gaming headset, which is launched for a very affordable $50 price tag. The GX1 has a 50mm large aperture dynamic drivers with wide frequency response from 20 Hz up to 20 kHz. This is also a triple mode headset where you can use it via Bluetooth. It is not specified what Bluetooth version though. It also has a dongle for a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, which can either be through USB-A or USB-C port. And of course, it can also be used through a wired connection like a normal 3.5mm combo jack. The sound stability channel balance is less than or equal to 5 dB, and EPOMAKER claims that this has a latency of just 25 milliseconds when using via dongle, and around 34 to 200 milliseconds when used via Bluetooth. GX1 also has a dual microphone setup. One is built in inside the headset, while the other one is a detachable boom mic, which has an environmental noise cancelling, or ENC feature. The battery inside this headset is 2,000 milliamp hours, which on paper can last up to 30 hours of usage and can be charged within 200 minutes. We'll see.
Okay, I assume this is the headset itself. Let's put that aside and see what other things are inside the box. We have an inner plastic package here. Oh, it is packed. Lots of items inside here. Okay, first we have a foam mic cover or windscreen here. And we have the detachable microphone boom here, which can be attached to the headset through a 3.5mm combo jack. It is bendable, so you can form it to any direction that you like, which is nice. Then we have a 3.5mm jack to USB Type-C cable here, which you can use for the wired mode. We have another cable here, which is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable, which is the charging cable. You just plug that USB-A to a power source when charging. Then we have the dongle. It is a USB-A dongle with a female USB-C at the side. But this seems to be a two-part dongle. If I can just take the half out. There we go! Oh, look at that! So the dongle is a USB Type-C, and this USB-A part I assume is just an adapter. And this is nice, since you can use the dongle on either a USB-A or a USB-C port. And lastly, we have the paperwork. This is a folded multilingual one-page manual. I think that's all of it. So we have no case nor any sort of a pouch for the headset here. You have to buy a separate case for your GX1.
Let's now go to the main event, the EPOMAKER GX1 gaming headset itself. Wow, I really feel the heft here since the GX1 weighs 320 grams. I like the packaging though. The headset itself is very secured with this wraparound soft and smooth plastic packaging. Let me just take it out now. You can go out now. You are safe in my hands. Let me just note that I was expecting a black color here, since the box has a black color printed on it, but I got a white one. This is an early edition though, so it might just be this one. Anyway, at top we have an embossed EPOMAKER logo at the headband. The feel of this leather is really good, and this headband is really soft and cushioned very well. The ear cup is open back with a nice honeycomb style grill here. We have a small hint of blue here for the ear cup attachment. The ear cup can swivel up and down, but unfortunately it cannot swivel left and right. So depending on your head shape, it might not enclose your ear tightly. But the ear cup cushion is thick, so it might not be an issue at all.
Okay, on the left ear cup, we have the built-in microphone hole, the 3.5mm jack for the mic boom attachment, then the LED light charging or status indicator beside the USB Type-C charging or wired mode port. Then we have the volume wheel rocker here, which I like as compared to a button. Then we have 3 buttons here. The one beside the volume is the power button that can also be used for play, pause, or answering, ending, or rejecting calls. The one in the middle is the mute-unmute toggle, and the last one is the sound mode and lighting mode control. On the right side ear cup, we only have one control here, which is a physical toggle for Bluetooth mode or the 2.4 GHz or dongle mode. The ear cup cushion is thick and has the very nice powder-like texture of leather. The foam inside it is a true memory foam as well. We have a great combination of the leather texture and a very soft memory foam here. Everything here is made of plastic. The grill and the blue attachment to ear cup might look metal, but they are plastic. The cushioning all around this oil-sprayed and electroplated leather finish, including the bottom of the headband, are all really nice, thick, and soft, so I assume this will be a very comfortable wear. The headset can also bend really wide, which is nice, but it also means it might not have a good clamping force when wearing it. The GX1 has a 7-level adjustment for extension, which is equivalent to around 1.5-inch additional length for each side, so a total of 3 inches additional extension for those who have big head.
The lighting effect of the GX1 is just one mode, which looks like this. I thought the lighting will change based on the music mode, but I was wrong. And when we attach the microphone, it will look like this, which still looks nice. It has that middle look between a gamer and an office headset, which for me is a good balance. By the creation of this video, I've only used the headset for a few hours, and so far, I am impressed with the sound quality and the microphone quality as well. Although there are some shortcomings that I have already noted, but will still need to verify through testing and actual usage. I will obviously need more time to test and actually use the EPOMAKER GX1 before I can give you a conclusive report, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel so you won't miss the full review. Last August 7th, 2026, EPOMAKER GX1 gaming headset has officially been launched. Visit the product link in the video description below if you are interested and want to know more information about it.
If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nila Suj for watching. Nobayer.